And coward Pakistan targets civilians. India Today LOC exclusive, where Pakistan is now at it, targeting civilians along the line of control. India bleeds Pakistan terror missionary. Pakistan is going after innocents once again. Damage homes, artillery shells. Pakistan bleeds the last village on the LOC.
After Operation Sindoor, Pakistan has been firing heavy artillery on the line of control, and here we are at Salamabad, where you can see the houses have been damaged by these shells of RT gunfire by Pakistan from the Pakistani posts. And Pakistan has been violating ceasefire since last 13 days, but yesterday Pakistan was agitated as Pakistan was being hit hard by the Indian armed forces in Operation Sindoor, where at 9 locations the terror outfits were destroyed, damaged. They were hit with precision strikes by the Indian armed forces, including the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. And Pakistan has retaliated by firing artillery gun shells at the border areas where innocent villagers also lost their lives in Poonch sector, but where we are reporting from in Uri sector, this is Salamabad area, where you see this house completely gutted in fire after the shelling. And fortunately, there have been no casualties in this area, but a lot of damage to the property has been caused. The fire is still on, and you can imagine how Pakistan has been severely hitting Indian targets, Indian villagers close to line of control where we are reporting from. And after Operation Sindoor, this is another attempt of Pakistan to escalate tensions with India. India has been responding appropriately to Pakistan, not only the small arms fire, but also the artillery gun shells that Pakistan has been hitting. India is responding it befittingly, but it seems that the situation is escalating along the line of control at various sectors where Pakistan has been violating ceasefire and it has been hitting these targets of civilians. This is what you see, a damaged house, totally gutted in fire. This was an attack from Pakistani post in the middle of the night when the Operation Sindoor was on. You see the utensils here, the broken mugs, and totally this property is destroyed. And there are many other houses in this location which have been damaged due to Pakistan's shelling. There are houses that have been damaged above this area also, where we visited earlier at the line of control. And this particular area is seeing severe damages. People are worried. They stand with the forces in its action against terror, but they are definitely worried about this kind of escalation that Pakistan has been taking ahead. It has been firing from Pakistani posts. Initially, it was resorting to small arms firing, but now it has initiated the heavy gunfires, and India has been retaliating to this. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Nasir Aziz Khan for India Today from line of control, India-Pakistan border.